time to time. Someday I'd love to know how you have grown since our last goodbye. I know the world is changing quickly, and I couldn't tell you why. It's beyond my understanding, but I'd love it if we tried. I'm growing older every moment. Time's falling through my hands, and I don't have to know the meaning, but I'd love to have a chance. These days, so much has changed. I stay awake, though it's hard sometimes. I love to know what you think. Oh, I miss when you'd share what was on your mind. Oh, I just don't know how I'm doing. I leave my window open wide, and as far as I'm concerned, I forget from time to time. I'm so curious about you. I just saw you in my dream. You showed up just to surprise me and disappeared so suddenly. Apologies for being scattered, I just couldn't go to sleep. I hope you don't think that I'm crazy, if that's really what you think. Sometimes I just feel so helpless. I spend hours in this room trying to formulate my feelings and clear the thought of you. Dear friend, how have you been?